What is Canesten cream used for? Canesten cream, also known as Clotrimazole cream, is a medication used to treat a variety of fungal skin infections. It is a popular over-the-counter treatment that is widely used to treat conditions such as athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. Canesten cream is also commonly used to treat vaginal yeast infections and is available in both internal and external formulations. One of the primary uses of Canesten cream is to treat athlete's foot, a fungal infection that affects the skin on the feet. This cream works by killing the fungus that causes the infection, and it can be applied directly to the affected area to relieve itching and burning. Canesten cream can also be used to prevent athlete's foot from recurring. Canesten cream is also commonly used to treat jock itch, a fungal infection that affects the skin in the groin area. This cream works by killing the fungus that causes the infection and can be applied directly to the affected area to relieve itching, burning, and discomfort. Additionally, Canesten cream can also be used to treat ringworm, a fungal skin infection that causes a ring-shaped rash on the skin. It works by killing the fungus that causes the infection and can be applied directly to the affected area to relieve itching, burning, and discomfort. It's important to note that Canesten cream should not be used in the eyes, on the mucous membranes, or on broken or irritated skin. It should also not be used for more than 4 weeks unless directed by a healthcare professional. Additionally, if there is no improvement after using this cream or if the symptoms worsen, it's important to see a healthcare provider to rule out other skin conditions or infections. Overall, Canesten cream is a powerful medication that can be highly effective in treating a variety of fungal skin infections. It is widely available over the counter and is considered safe for most people to use. However, it should be used only as directed by the label or as advised by a healthcare professional. It's also important to follow the instructions for use carefully and to seek medical advice if there is no improvement in symptoms or if they worsen.